Hey there guys, it's Chris with Clean Streak Pressure Washing again. We are on another pool deck and screen enclosure cleaning in Tarpon Springs, Florida. As you can see, we have quite a bit of weeds growing in the paver joints. We have a lot of algae buildup on the pool deck. We do have some stuff already in the pool, but we'll try not to get any more in there. Got a lot of green buildup on the cage itself, and I don't know how much of this will show up in the camera, but the screens themselves are covered very heavily. We got lichen, we have all kinds of green buildup. The cage. Of course, the gutter line. Alright, the first thing we're going to do today is we're actually going to rinse down everything. One, we want to get all the plants outside wet, but secondly, we want to get all the stuff off the top of the cage that we can so that we can get the chemical where it needs to be. Right now we are letting things dwell for a little bit, but as you can see, the chemical is already doing a lot of work on all of the algae buildup. Everything is melting like butter. There you can see where we did a quick rinse, just so we can show the difference there. Here you can see how much of an impact all that algae has on the screens. And there you have it from another direction. That screen has been completely rinsed just to show the comparison and the visibility. But as you look to the screen enclosure, Everything has almost completely melted off. We're going to give that a little bit more time to dwell while we work with the turbo nozzle on this pool deck. Finished here on this pool deck. I'm going to take you outside so you can see real quick how everything looks out here. And of course, here you see all of the screens are see-through again. All of the white on the cage is nice and clean. The pool deck itself is in great shape. We're going to grab our guns here real quick. Make sure these doors are closed for the client so they don't get blown around. And we are off to our next stop.